Hey, what's up, guys? Just Jake Reviews, and this is a Suwanee car show. I forgot to film my intro, so I apologize for that. And also, I had to cut half the footage because I had to zoom all the way up, and I didn't realize it. I zoomed up for a little bit for a shot, but don't know where the footage was, and I forgot to unzoom it, so I apologize for that. So what you're about to see is a Bentley Mulsanne that we are going around looking at. Not the new one. It's about the 1989 one. So going around looking at that. So you got good enough footage though. It's just I had to cut half of it due to the zoomed up, and I didn't want to post that because, well, you guys deserve that. You guys don't deserve bad footage, and I'm not about that. So hoping to enjoy the video. I got more videos coming. Next week I'm going to post the last Peter Lamont video. I'm sorry guys, I haven't posted it yet. I'm really busy with school and homework. It's just hard to juggle the two things at one time, so I do apologize for that. So it's going to be next week. I want to get honest reviews and all other car shows posted, all that next week, so be sure to look forward to that, and so hope you enjoy this car show.
They
just
have no reason to, but if they made one with a manual transmission, ooh, hold up, I don't know how I walked past that.
what? Oh, beautiful car. Before they became a 4-door family car.
Well, you could get these as 4-doors too.
Oh yeah, but they weren't muscle cars back then.
No, you could get like a 4-door Impala with a 450 V8. And
From the factory?
yeah. So before, you just had like you didn't go to the lot and buy a car. You could just you'll find a lot of the old cars like this with a weird combination of options. You'll find like have no radio, no AC, but the biggest engine and good tires and or all the options with the smallest engine, just AC, stuff like that.
Wow. So I can buy a brand new Impala with a V8.
A new one? No.
Oh, but you can
Not
buy.
a new one.
But you can buy this.
One of these. So I'm saying in this era, you could get a 4-door Impala. Like they made this with a 4-door body. This has a 327.
That's what I like about some muscle cars, like the Charger. What can you get a family car that says the V8 and it feels like a muscle car?
Yeah, that's like that car could only be built in the U.S.
Yeah. I like your phone.
What's up?
I like your phone.
Oh, thanks. It's an S7.
Lucky. I have a 6.
Oh, really? I got this just a little while ago. I had 5 before this one, and I found it on Amazon for like $250, and it was.
Yeah, my mom's gonna give me her S7 Plus when she's done with it.
Those have really good cameras.
Yeah.
If you're filming alongside, you can just have that to take pictures.
Well,
I left them in the car. I have lenses for this thing.
Yeah. This thing can take pictures, but it's.
Of course not.
I've seen the new Camaro, but I don't know. How do you feel about the new Camaro?
The redesign?
Yeah.
Not crazy about it.
Yeah, the rear's okay. I like the front, but
I'll show you. Somebody photoshopped the upcoming Blazer.
Oh yeah.
Somebody photoshopped the front end, kind of inspired by the Blazer, onto the Camaro, and I wish they would have just used this design instead. It's really bizarre.
Because that new Blazer looks sick looking.
Well,
Car.
Very close to here on McGinnis Ferry Road. And we have primary care, we have women's services, we have cardiology, rheumatology, gastroenterology, all right
What-tology do you need?
Conveniently provide you all the medical needs that you might need for yourself, your partner, and your family. The family care services also includes pediatric services as well. So we really can take care of all the needs of your family.
What's it like?
We're so excited to have the couples challenge today. I'm just going to go over 3 rules with our 3 fantastic couples.
Yeah, it's nice.
We have Jim and
The only problem with
Asher,
this car, it's
and then
nice,
we
but
have
the
Tina
interior
and
feels.
Henry. And again, we have couples and their friends and their spouses, their partners.
Oh wow, that's
couples
cool.
Can mean anything, and we're just so excited you're here with us to play. We drew for some names earlier to pick our couples, and what we're going to do is ask you a set of health-related questions. One person from each couple will answer the questions based on what they think. The couple with the highest score wins a $200 gift certificate for Chateau.
Yeah, those are nice.
I mean, I could use a $200 gift certificate for Chateau Alone. And then also, the second and third prize winner will win a $75 gift certificate for massage and hair. We're coming up on the stress of the holidays.
My 85 F-250 has it, and I love it.
Take time out for yourself, and we really hope you enjoy.
I like that because, well,
really
you don't have to put the brake on or anything. You just take it. Oh, dude, that's new. What's it called? Brain think.
So the first question is, and again, please hide your board when you're writing your answers. Turn it over so that only you can see it and not your partner that you're playing with. We're going to start it off with,
This is a pretty car.
Partner's favorite exercise. What is your partner's favorite exercise? All right, now, we got 30 seconds to answer.
Yeah, like a look.
Just as a reminder, we're not medical center.
I don't think this car's out.
Hospitals, one in Lawrenceville and one in Duluth. And at Lawrenceville, we have the only level
see, I
2
came in from
trauma
up there.
center.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Especially what he is.
What's your favorite kind of exercise?
Well, I've seen this car.
Running.
Ford Maverick, I believe it's called, right?
Sure, what you got?
It's like a mini Mustang.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, awesome.
It was literally, I think it was the body of a Mach,
What that was.
of the Mach 1, just modified a little bit.
Exercise.
It's the only car I've ever seen do that.
Hey, look, Lambo doors.
Oh, that is awesome. Well, then you don't have any New Year's.
You're just like, no.
Not crazy.
Already doing
Only because my buddy had Lambo doors on his Lexus SC, his old one. Over time, they I don't know if it was just the hinges that he got, but over time they end up sagging. It's a lot of stress on that frame rail.
Yeah.
This is cool.
awesome.
Yeah.
Guys, the competition is pretty stiff. It's pretty stiff. Let's go to let's switch from race forward. Mark will get in the race forward, Jim will get in the race forward.
I like good old Chevy trucks.
Super nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You think it's original?
No. No. If it was original, it wouldn't be here.
Yeah, exactly. It wouldn't. They only made like,
You don't drive those.
how many of those made? Like,
I don't know. Just
like 40?
not a lot, man.
Oh, that's pretty. It's funny, the oldest car I'm reviewing is coming up soon.
The oldest?
Yeah, I'm reviewing an 84 S10. I think. With a 6-cylinder.
Camaro?
This is a Mustang.
That's a Camaro.
Mm.
It sounded like a Mustang.
Mm. Mustang
This
have
was the
a.
first car I took pictures of as soon as I walked in.
Yeah, that thing is. That's
I think there's a couple Porsches. Oh, what's that?
That's a Nissan.
No, not.
Oh, look what they have next to each other. Porsche's over there.
Yeah, okay. That's what I saw. I almost-
Oh, I remember this car! This car's insane. It's like, it's loud.
Charged.
Yeah, that thing is loud.
That's what I saw. Oh, it's a Targa. That's why I caught my eye.
I believe this is a 911 9.991?
930.
930?
No, not 930. This is a 911. 930 was a turbo.
Yeah.
This is a Targa.
Such a good car.
I like these are my favorite types.
My dad had a 911.
Oh, really?
Yeah, two. This generation.
No. I gotcha. So the Porsche dealership up the street from us, the new versions of this, they had used ones that they were selling just because the demand was so high and they barely had any.
Wow.
So like somebody who was gonna wanted to buy a new one, they didn't have any. He didn't want to order one and wait 6 months for it to get there. And then they had a used one, which was priced at pretty much the same price as a new one, and he bought that. That happened like 3 times.
Wow. What thing these lights?
Oh, those are good. They kind of remind me of the Aventador lights.
Yeah.
Camaro Nations.
Hmm. I need to drive a Mustang soon. Cause I'll be driving your car. I'm like, Mustang, what do you like to drive again?
Mustangs are. I drove. Someone traded in 2014.
Hmm.
2015.
Hmm.
The first year of the new body style. It was
Yeah.
the 50th anniversary edition. 50th anniversary edition. It drives nice, but I still kind of prefer mine a little bit better.
Yeah,
Not
but
when you really have to rev out to get the power out of it.
I have a friend who drove the new 2018. He said it's a monster.
I'm sure. Oh yeah, I've heard great things about the new one.
They finally fixed the sound,
Fix the sound.
like the exhaust, make it more.
Oh, I've always liked how they sound.
Yeah.
I didn't think there was anything wrong with that.
I still think your car is still the fastest car I've driven on the channel. And that is not good true, because I've driven lots of cars that
It might be.
it's say drove the Focus, which I know that's not My Corolla.
Let's walk back.
Yeah. My Corolla can keep up with that.
The Focus?
Yeah. I wasn't sure it felt faster, but only because it was louder.
Well, it's good, and the thing's a lot lighter too.
Yeah. Whereas Challenger, that's a muscle car.
Right, but it's also the heaviest muscle car by a big margin.
Yeah, but it's not that bad to drive though. I still like it.
No, it's not. But I'm noticing the more the more cars I drive, the more I feel the size of that.
Yeah, the more car. Every time I drive a new car and then I get back into my car, it feels all weird. Because my car has a unique feel to it, the way it drives. That if you drive another car, it feels all different again.
I did drive the new Miata with 180 horsepower.
How many
motor. That was
push-ups
so much fun.
can your partner do
manual?
in a minute?
Yep. Had
Best
to.
best car to drive, that manual.
Yes.
I've sat in it and it's nice.
Sorry, let's try this.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah! Yeah!
It's a truck.
Truck, whatever. Do you drag race it, I hope?
It's a 46. I learned how to drive. Really? My dad. Hey guys, can I take a pic like this? It was all written next to it. Yeah, have some. You want to get in and sit down? Come on.
The other side.
Come on in there, Megan.
So what's in it?
That is a 46. 46. Yes. It's got just a little small block.
Oh, that's nice. How much power is it making?
A lot. A lot.
I'm assuming you drag race it.
I do.
That's good. What's the score mile?
It'll run. It'll run high tens.
Wow. And isn't that illegal if you don't have a roll bar, you can't go under, you can't go 10 or?
But $9.99 or better.
Okay. That's
awesome. Thank you, bro. I hope I didn't block you off, sir. Thanks.
Check out this, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, the Magnum engine. Such a beautiful engine. One of the best engines ever built. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful cars. Beautiful. I like this color. Oh, check out that engine. Oh, sorry. This car's pretty long. Look at this. Lowrider. Oh. Check out this car. See what? Okay, that's cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, I miss Pontiac so bad. They're such good cars. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is some good interior. Well, it shows the manual though. I mean, automatic's fine, but for a manual. Ooh, let's check this out. Very, very nice. Can't go wrong with the Beetle. Oh, look at this. SRT. Beautiful Porsche. Alright guys, I'm gonna go find my friend. Be in the back in a sec. Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys enjoyed this Suwanee car show. Sorry it's not as long as usual, but I hope you still guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. I got some good footage of a lot of cool cars that I like. So let me know what your favorite car is and that I saw there, and more videos are coming of this. You guys seem to enjoy these, not as much as the honest review, which is obviously that's what the whole channel is about. But I'm so starting out, so I don't get cars in like every week like Doug Muriel does. But I do what I can, so that's kind of what I'm doing. So next week I'm going to be posting an honest review, and I want to say 2 car shows. So be sure you're subscribed. Be sure you turn the notification bell and like if you like this video. So look forward to see you guys next video. See you later.